How to install the VedaPulse Professional software. To download the VedaPulse Professional software, go to www.vedapulse.com, Download section. Click Download VedaPulse Professional. You will see a message suggesting the path to save the installation file. By default, this is the Downloads folder. Once the download is finished, double-click on the installation file. The software installation wizard will start. For the correct installation of the VedaPulse Professional software, you should agree with all the points suggested by the installation wizard. Click Yes when Windows operating system requests to install the software. Then, select the installation language, click OK. Click Next. Check the box next to I accept the terms of the agreement. Click Next. Select the folder where the software will be installed. By default, it will be installed to C. Biocvent, VedaPulse. We recommend not to change the installation path. Click Next. Again Next. Leave the checkbox on Create an icon on the desktop to have quick access to the software. Click Next, Install. The software installation will begin. Click Finish. Your browser will open Page's personal account and user manual, and the VedaPulse Professional software will also be launched. You will also receive a suggestion to install the device driver. It is very important not to skip this step. Click Yes when Windows messages you to install the driver. In the window that appears, click Extract. Next. Check the box next to I accept the terms of the agreement. Click Next. Wait for the driver installation to complete. Click Finish. Installation of the VedaPulse Professional software has been completed.